Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be reviewing the Plum Goodness Nature Studio Kajal and be doing two different eye looks with them. So the brand did send me two of their shades, which is Gemstone Green and Black Brilliance, of which I already owned the shade Black Brilliance from a long time and I really love it. So if you want to know my in-depth review and thoughts on this Kajal, then please continue watching. So the Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal does retail in this kind of prism shaped cardboard box, and inside this you do get your Kajal and a sharpener absolutely free worth ₹150. This Kajal does retail in three shades, that is a black, brown and green. I'm having two shades with me right here, which is Gemstone Green and Black Brilliance. This Kajal is 100% vegan and preservative free. It does have a gel based formula which is very creamy and easy to apply. Plus it is smudge proof and this one lasts 4 times longer than your average Kajal. Also you do get 1.2 grams of product which retails for MRP 495. So that is how the packaging of the Kajal comes like. It does come in a pencil form which is sharpenable. Now talking about the texture of the Kajal, it is very creamy, intensely pigmented, and you just need one stroke to apply the Kajal. Now this Kajal does give a gel liner like finish and you can also use this as your Kajal or your liner. Plus it is smudge proof and waterproof and it does not transfer, and this particular Kajal lasts 4 times longer, as I said, than your normal Kajal. So yes, that was my short review on the Nature Studio Kajal from Plum. Now let's move on to some easy eye makeup looks using these Kajal. So those were the two easy eye makeup looks that you can create using the Plum Nature Studio Kajal. I would have the link to these products in the description along with their shades mentioned if you want to check them out. And yes, with that being said, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys really found out this review video helpful. If you did, then do hit the like button and subscribe before leaving. I'll meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste and keep trending.